Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Kenmore vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at rank number 5, we have the DU4080 Featherlight Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum. This is Kenmore's budget-friendly option and is priced at just $132.99. Making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable vacuum cleaner without spending a fortune. At under 12 pounds, this model is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for quick cleanups around the house. The standout feature here is the lift-up technology, which lets you convert the upright vacuum into a portable pod for cleaning stairs and other hard-to-reach areas. With 9 feet of hose reach and a swivel head with LED headlights, this vacuum ensures dirt has nowhere to hide. The design is compact and modern, featuring a bright orange finish that stands out. Despite its lightweight build, the DU4080 packs a 2-motor system for deep cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. The HEPA filtration system is completely sealed, trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. This makes it a great choice for households with pets or allergy sufferers. However, the dust cup capacity is smaller than some other models, which means frequent emptying during extensive cleaning sessions. Overall, the DU4080 Featherlight is ideal for those seeking a budget-friendly vacuum with solid performance for smaller spaces or quick cleanups. Its compact design and affordable price are big wins. But the smaller capacity and limited attachments may not suit larger households or intensive cleaning needs. It's perfect for everyday use and light-duty cleaning, giving you excellent value for the price. Moving on to rank number 4, we have the BU4050 Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum in a stunning rose gold finish. This model is designed for efficiency and comfort, with standout features like lift-up canister technology that lets you transition to a lightweight pod for stair and above-floor cleaning. One of its most unique features is the hair eliminator brush roll, which automatically removes hair from the brush roll, saving you the hassle of untangling it manually. At just 14 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight and maneuverable, making it a great choice for homes with multiple cleaning surfaces. The HEPA filtration system is combined with a completely sealed system to trap 99.97% of dust and allergens, ensuring clean air as you vacuum. The PowerFlow bag technology maintains strong suction even as the vacuum bag fills up, making this unit consistent and reliable during extended cleaning sessions. Included attachments like the Pet Handymate and Crevice tool add versatility for cleaning furniture, upholstery, and tight spaces. However, one downside is that the price is not readily available, which may make it harder to compare value against other models. This vacuum is ideal for households with pets and those who prioritize convenience and cleanliness. The hair eliminator brush roll and HEPA filtration system make it a winner for allergy sufferers, while its lightweight build ensures easy maneuverability. If you're looking for a solid upright vacuum with advanced features, the BU4050 Intuition is a strong contender. At rank number 2, the Kenmore 81414 Bagged Canister Vacuum in red brings versatility and power to the table. Priced at $227.04, this model falls into the mid-range category and offers excellent cleaning capabilities for all areas of your home. The lightweight aluminum telescoping wand extends up to 9 feet, making it easy to clean furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces. Its 2-motor system delivers strong suction across diverse surfaces, while 4 height adjustments ensure optimal airflow for efficient cleaning. The triple HEPA filter system is a major highlight, capturing 99.97% of debris and allergens to improve air quality. Weighing less than 20 pounds, the vacuum is lightweight enough for easy maneuverability, and its swivel head simplifies navigation around furniture and corners. The retractable 26-foot cord adds convenience, while the onboard storage keeps the attachments organized. Included tools like the dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool provide versatility for a wide range of cleaning tasks. However, some users may find its noise level of 78 decibels slightly higher than other models. This vacuum is ideal for families or individuals looking for a powerful and versatile cleaner with reliable allergen filtration. If you need a vacuum that covers both floors and elevated surfaces with ease, the Kenmore 81414 is an excellent choice. Its solid build, extended hose reach, and multiple attachments make it a worthy investment for those seeking a mid-range canister vacuum. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the 600 series pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum in purple. Priced at $329.99, this is Kenmore's premium option, and it delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Designed for pet owners and allergy sufferers, this vacuum features a motorized pet power mate attachment that lifts stubborn pet hair and debris from carpets and furniture. The pop-and-go brush is a convenient addition, allowing quick transitions for bare floor cleaning. Its powerful two-motor system provides strong suction across all surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning every time. The triple HEPA filter system is a standout feature, capturing 99.97% of dust and allergens to maintain clean indoor air. The aluminum telescoping wand extends up to 10 feet, making it perfect for reaching high areas and tight spaces. At 22.6 pounds, this vacuum is heavier than others on the list, but its swivel head and retractable 28-foot cord make it easy to maneuver. Additional attachments like the crevice tool, dusting brush, and bare floor tool further enhance its versatility. While it comes at a higher price point, its robust build, advanced features, and reliable performance justify the cost. The 600 series is ideal for large households, pet owners, and anyone who needs a powerful vacuum with premium features. Its ability to handle both carpets and hard floors, along with its exceptional allergen filtration, makes it the ultimate choice for those seeking top-tier performance. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality vacuum, this model is undoubtedly the best on the list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.